So Feisty just reacted to a cat. I'm not sure I know who it is. White legs. I haven't seen that one. Ollie isn't here today. At least not yet. Nobody else is either. Oh, there's a squirrel. Feisty's sitting there for the time being until he scooped out exactly what's going on. Well, I was just getting my second cup of coffee, and it sounds like Feisty's at the door wanting in, and Beaver's in the window wanting in. And doesn't look like Ollie showed up to eat any of that food. I don't know what's going on. What's going on? It's just cold out. It is cold. Still no Ollie. That has happened before, so it's not time to panic.